So, good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. Today we are discussing exercise 11.5, which is based on equations. Okay. So, before we move on to the equation part, I just want to tell you that what is equation first. Okay. Till now, whatever we were studying, that was expression. Okay. Where I was telling you 7 more than 3, 7 more than x, 5 more than y, 3 more than z, yeah, y plus 3, x plus 9, okay, 3 times of p, 5 times of z, y plus 8, y plus 9, okay. So these are all expressions, whatever we studied till now. These all are expressions. See, these all are expressions. ठीक है, whatever we have studied till now, that were only expressions. But now we will be doing it equation. Write it down the heading now. EQUATION. Equation. Now, how equation and expressions are different. Remember. अभी तक जितना भी हमने पढ़ा है बेटा, इन दिस होल चैप्टर जहां तक भी हमने पढ़ाई कर चुकी है, वी हैव नॉट सीन एनीवेयर द साइन ऑफ इक्वल. ओके, एनीवेयर, right? We were only doing either 3z, y plus 9 minus 3z, 3p, 3y, y minus 9, like this. ठीक है, there was no equal sign till now. We were doing the question. Now equal sign means what? For example, if I am telling you that 7 years more of a number, 7 more than a number x, ठीक है, 3 times of p. But what is 3 times of p? We don't know. ठीक है, but if I'll give you a condition, condition means अगर मैं इसी expression को एक condition के साथ bound कर दूं, then we call equation. I'm telling you how. For example, for giving you a hint, if I will tell you this, that you have to guess the number which is unknown. ठीक है, suppose if I will speak to you that you have to guess a number which is unknown. So unknown, suppose I am taking as p. Okay, now I am giving you a condition that 7 more than p, 7 more than p, I am writing here 7 more than p is 9. Now see, I am giving you a condition. अभी तक हम लोग क्या पढ़ते थे बेटा? सिर्फ इतना पढ़ते थे. What is 7 more than p? Now I am giving you a condition कि जब आप p में 7 more करते हो, then you get 9. Means you will write it down the statement like p plus 7. जब हम करते हैं तो we get 9. Now this is a bound condition. Now may I know from you all, what can be the value of p? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसमें हम 7 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें 9 मिलेगा? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, wonderful. Now everybody is able to guess the answer. ठीक है, everybody is able to get the answer that ma'am value of p will be 2. Because जैसे ही हम p की जगह पर 2 रखेंगे, we will get the answer 9. But if I will tell you, you just tell me the answer of this. 7 more than p. What will be your answer? Tell me faster. If I tell you 7 more than p, what will be your answer? Yes, absolutely right. Your answer will be p plus 7. Your answer is p plus 7. Tell me now, in this condition, will you be able to guess the answer? Jaldi se bataiye, yes or no? In this condition, will you be able to guess the answer? Yes or no? Wonderful. Correct answer. You will not be able to guess the answer because I am not giving you any condition. I am just telling you कि एक number है which is unknown, that is p, और उसमें हम 7 add कर दे रहे, that is p plus 7. Now what is the condition? Nobody knows. ठीक है? So in this case we are not able to solve it. ठीक है? But in this equation we are able to solve it. Okay? So remember, expression you cannot solve it without knowing the value of unknown, but equation you can find out by understanding your own level, and you can find out the answer of variable that is unknown. बिकॉज उसमें मैं आपको एक कंडीशन देने वाली हूँ, ठीक है। नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू दिस this definition in a more shorter way. Now understand this. Abhi to I have just given you an introduction. Now understand how will you identify this is expression or this is equation. Now understand. What is the spelling of equation? Just read it. E Q U A E I O N. I am writing one more spelling which I am remembering right now. E Q U A L, equal. Now understand, watch both the spellings and tell me how much they are similar. Just see this. First alphabet E, E, Q, Q, U, U, A. From here, this L, the another spelling start. It means they have more similarity here. Equal and equation. And remember, these two have a very, very strong connection. Remember always, equation cannot be written without equal sign. Understand this and write it down somewhere on your copy with the help of pencil as well. Equation cannot be written without equal sign. Write it down this. And this is the best you can understand from it. ठीक है, कहीं पर भी आपको पहचानने के लिए बोल दिया जाए that what is equation, remember equation means equality. ठीक है, equation means equality. Equality means equal sign. Now I am telling you the definition of it. This is the definition. Equality of two expressions is called an equation. It means अभी तक हमने जो भी एक्सप्रेशन पढ़ा है बेटा उसी से इक्वेशन मिलती है, ठीक है। सो रिमेंबर, इक्वेशन मीन्स there should be an equal sign, which is very, very compulsory, because the definition also says that equality of two expression is called equation. Now let me give you some examples of it. X plus 5 is equals to 11. 3 into P is equals to 18, or we can also write it down 5P plus 7 is equals to 20. Now see, these are the example of equation. You can form any equation by your own also. Okay, it's not compulsory that what I am writing, that same you write it down. You can have your own example as well. Now please note it down till here and then we will be discussing more about it. So if the question comes like 11.5, question number 1 is state which of the following are equations with a variable, means there should be a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equation with a variable. Now question number 1. See this, for equation you should have a variable. You can have constant. If constant is not there, then also fine. You can have this operator as well. And also very, very important, equal sign. There should be equality into it. So question number 1A is 17 is equal to x plus 7. May I know from your answer, please tell me, is it an equation or not? Answer in the chat box, please. 17 is equal to x plus 7. Do you feel it is an equation? Write it down, yes. If yes, write it down, yes. If it is no, write it down, no. Almost everybody is writing yes. Now may I know, अब आपने ये बता दिया कि मैम yes, it is an equation. Now may I know from you that which variable is used? Which variable is used into it? जल्दी से बताइए. X. Absolutely right. Okay. Now move on to question number B. t minus 7 is greater than 5. Now tell me, is it an equation or not? No. May I know the reason why no? Variable भी है, constant भी है, operator भी है, then why it is no? I just want to know the reason. No equal sign. Wonderful. It means there is no equality here, beta. And if there is no equality, it means there is no equation here. Okay. Now move on to the C question. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Now it is yes or no. Some are writing yes, some are writing no. Now think, is it yes or is it no? 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Wonderful, Bhavna. You got the right point. It is not an equation. Why it is not an equation? It has constant, it has equal sign, but there is no variable. So when there is no variable, what to solve? Just see this. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. There is no variable only. Okay? And variable is must. So question number C is not an equation. Now all of you watch question number D. 7 into 3 minus 19 is equal to 8. No or yes? Wonderful. It's no. May I know the reason? What is the reason why it is not an equation? Question number D. Yes, absolutely right. There is no variable into it. Okay, there is no variable into it. Now question number E. 5 into 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. Is it an equation or not an equation? Okay, it is an equation. With which variable? With which variable? What do you feel? Yes, it is x as a variable. Now students, we have discussed so many. Now I am giving you 2 minutes. It's 9:58. 2 minutes you take your time, open your book, on the video and do the questions which are left. Question number 1. Now students, we have understood what is equation. Okay? And also we have done question number 1 from 11.5. Now I am going to tell you what is solution of an equation. Because अभी तक हमने जितना भी पढ़ा है बेटा, we were discussing unknown, unknown, unknown and unknown. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पर हमको जब unknown की value निकालने के लिए बोल दिया जाता है, that what is unknown? So how will you find out the unknown value? ठीक है? Now suppose you have a question like, we are discussing question number 2. Suppose you have an equation x minus 10 is equal to 5. X minus 10 is equal to 5. Means if I remove x also and if I write it down y, if I write z or p or w, whatever I write, you understand that this is unknown. Okay? And if I tell you to find out the value of unknown, right now, what answer you will tell me? What I will place in place of y, which you give the answer 5. Wonderful, correct answer. If you place 15 in the place of y, 15 minus 10 will give you 5. Now can you write any other number in place of y? 15 के अलावा can you write any other number in place of y? Just tell me. Can we put 20? Can we put minus 15? No. Can we put 2? No. Okay. Can we put minus 11? No. Because if we put any other value than 15, it will not give you the answer 5. And which is the demand of your question. Because you have to think in such a way कि ऐसा नंबर जिससे हम 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें और आपको आंसर मिलना चाहिए 5. And that number is only and only 15. Because 15 minus 10 only gives you 5. So remember, this 15 is called solution. So y is equal to 15 is the solution. Remember, is the solution. Because sometimes it comes to write down the definition, what is solution. So you can also give the example of it, that this is solution. The value of variable which satisfy the equation is known as the solution of an equation. I am speaking once again. If you want to write it down, please write it down. The value of variable, the value of variable which satisfies, satisfy करने का मतलब होता है that you should get 5. If you are not getting 5, that means it is not satisfying your equation. Okay, so the value of variable which satisfy the given equation is known as solution. Finished. Once again telling you, the value of variable which satisfies the given equation is known as solution. This is an extremely important part. Now I want you all to write down one example by your own. Please write one example by your own. Okay, now understand some of the question. Now again we will be doing it only orally. No need to do it on the copy. This is done. After this, orally we will be doing it. See, suppose your question is 3p is equal to 18. Now tell me 3p का मतलब होता है बेटा 3 into p is equals to 18. Now tell me what value I can place in the place of p which gives you the answer 18. सोच कर बताइए. Answer is 6. Okay, students are giving the answer 6. Now in place of 6, Natik, now you tell me. In place of 6, if I write 3, will it give you 18? Tell me, Natik Yadav. If I place here something else other than 6, will it give you 18? No. So that is called not satisfying, because your answer should be 18 only. And other than 6, if I write any number, which will it will not satisfy the equation. So here the answer of P is equal to 6. ये हो गया, आपने guess कर लिया. ठीक है? This is the solution of this equation. Now I am asking the another question. Tell me fast. Y minus 10 is equals to minus 1. जल्दी से बताइए. Y minus 10 is equals to minus 1 आना चाहिए. Some are writing wrong, some are writing right. Use the concept of integer. It's minus 1, not 1. It's minus 1. Yes. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer now. Yes. Not minus 11, beta. Just सोच कर देखिए properly. Will it give you minus 11? Because minus 11 minus 10 will give you minus 21. Okay, wonderful. The answer will be here 9. Y की जगह पर जब हम 9 रखेंगे बेटा, तो 9 minus 10 will give you minus 1. ठीक है? It means the answer of Y will be 9. It means the solution of this equation is Y is equals to 9. Fine. Now I am giving you a question in a different way. This is the last question of today. Tell me Y plus 5 is equals to 11. Value of Y is 12. Will it satisfy this or not? Yes or no? Answer is only yes or no. Y is equals to 12. I have already given you answer. I just want to ask, will it satisfy or not? Yes or no? Only this answer I want to know. No. Okay. Now give me the reason why. Now give me the reason why. Why it will not satisfy? Tell me the answer faster. Okay, I got your answer. It will not satisfy, but I want to know why. Yes, correct answer, because 12 plus 5, जब आप ऐड करोगे y की जगह पे 12 रखोगे तो 12 plus 5 will give you 17, not 11. Okay, it will give you 17, not 11, but I want the answer 11. So what is the correct answer of this equation? Can you tell me? What is the correct answer of this equation? Y is equal to 6. Wonderful, beta. Absolutely right now. So this is all about question number 2 of your NCERT. Okay. Tomorrow, whenever we'll meet, we will be discussing questions related to RS Agrawal. Okay. Please don't forget to join tomorrow's class because we will be having copy correction and little bit of study. And copy correction is mainly, we will be doing the copy correction tomorrow. Okay.